Look at this sweet little bunny, holding something valuable and so sunny. Let's hop right in and start with a circle and triangle, creating art. Let's bounce into this epic bunny quest. We're starting small, just a triangle and a circle. But trust me, it's gonna be a hop-tastic ride. Look at that. With just a few quick, simple lines, we're already bringing this bunny to life. Check out those eyes and that adorable bunny snout with its tiny teeth. It is going to be so adorable. I was wondering, do you have a pet bunny hopping around at home? Or do you have some other pets? What are their awesome names? I can't wait to hear all about them. Did you know, bunnies can wiggle their noses up to 120 times a minute? I'd say that's pretty cool for a dance move. Before we dive into drawing the bunny's body, let's sketch those iconic ears. After all, no bunny is complete without them. Don't forget, feel free to mix things up as you go. Get creative and play around and add your own twist. Make it uniquely yours. In a meadow, soft and sunny, lives a little hoppy bunny, with its nose that twitches quick, and a hop that's smooth and slick. Bunny holds a carrot dear, and it's happiest when it's near. With a carrot held so tight, it's the cutest thing in sight. Now let's outline all the fun. With markers ready, we'll get it done. Let's boost our sketch to superstar status. Let's make those lines so awesome, even our bunny will be impressed. Tell me, you awesome little peep, did you make any oopsies while drawing our bunny? No biggie. Mistakes are just part of the adventure. You can fix them, or turn them into something totally cool and unique. Either way, you're learning and having a blast. How about we give our bunny friend a name? Let's brainstorm together. Drop your coolest ideas in the comments, and let's see what we come up with. I'm wondering where this tiny carrot popped up from. I bet one of you fantastic little peeps gifted it to our bunny friend. What a super thoughtful surprise. We're almost there. Just one more awesome year to go, and then it's color time. Have you picked out your shades yet? Feel free to sneak a peek at mine for a little inspiration boost. I know you've heard that there are more free Peeptastic videos like this on ScribblePeeps.com. Bye!